video to do how to do the C system. You might be like, how did you do the key system? So I do this, and then now just go here, save key. It doesn't work here, see. Now you click get key.
English get on there, or
Now go. Remind me, wait. Now you go down, free access with ads. And now discover articles. Click discover articles. Wait some time. Click X. Now go back. Now this looks like a tick. So now do this. Click X again. X again. Now go back. Go back here. Click X literally again. Now it'll come like this, and now look, key is innate. Now go back to chicken gun. Now just go back here and just do this, go back, do that, and just type the key in. And it just, and that's it. That's it. Now go try this out with Bomb Hacker, and if it doesn't work, just comment on my video and I'll teach you again. I'll make a video again.